handling the insurance after Huston truck accidents. Our law firm will help you through the claim process. Trucking is big business in the Huston area. With so much cargo coming in and out of the seaport, commercial trucks are an everyday sight on our roads, and that means there always the risk of serious truck accident. And when those big commercial trucks are involved in works, it's almost always someone in a smaller vehicle who gets seriously hurt or killed. As someone injured in a Huston truck accident, you may think you are out of option, but while you are certainly in for a difficult legal battle, the Huston truck accident lawyers at Tracy Fox and Walters have the experience and resources needed to help you fight that battle. We know how to take on the insurance companies in high stakes cases, and we know how to help our client recover. Here what you need to know about handling the insurance companies after a truck wreck in Houston. Multiple insurance carriers may be involved. Most truck accidents in the Houston area involve tractor trailers carrying large load of parts. In most of those cases, the cab and the trailer have separate insurance, and either or both insurance carriers may be involved depending on the circumstance of the accident. The cargo itself may also be separately injured, and if any other vehicle were involved in our accident, which is again common in Houston because of sheer volume to traffic on our roads, then even more insurance companies could play a role. The trucking companies and their insurance carriers have a built-in advantage. Compensation in truck accident cases is decided by evidence, and much of relevant evidence belongs to the trucking company. The hours of service log, for example, in their property, as is the data found in the truck's black box. On reason you need to contact an attorney right away is to take legal action to protect that critical information. These are big, high stakes cases because they have millions of dollars in assets. Trucking companies usually purchase large liability policies, many times the production a passenger car has. Moreover, because of the size disparity between commercial trucks and passenger cars, trucking accidents tend to cause seriously injured. Those two factors mean that a truck accident represents a lot of exposure to the insurance company. Bottom line, and they will protect their assets with their best attorney and adjusters. You should not face them alone. Navigating with the insurance company on your own is a bad idea in general, but especially when you are trying to file a claim after a truck accident. you need an experienced attorney on your side.